Recently, the Lumparing Sports Club had organized a felicitation program for 151 residents of the area for their contribution to the welfare of Lumparing locality and the public at large. Those felicitated included local folk singers and dancers and also individuals who had donated part of their land for the construction of the new PWD road within the locality. The MLA of South Shillong constituency, Sanbor Shulai, graced the occasion as chief guest in the presence of the headman of Upper Lumparing, H.R. Walang, headman of Kanjat Football Umkanrut, Shaipar Walang, headman Lower Lumparing, D. Shabong, secretary Shnong Lower Lumparing, R. Shabong, Assistant Secretary Lower Lumparing, P. Marwen, members of the Sengkanthay and Sengsamla Shnong Lumparing, besides residents and others. The chief guest had also distributed work orders to local contractors for the construction of more roads in the locality.
You are felicitated for donating your land free of cost for the construction of PWD road, for the welfare and interest of the public and for future generations. You, your family, and your clan members have cited a good example on humanity and generosity to others to follow. We wish you all a happy, peaceful, prosperous, and a pleasant life forever.